station is Queens Village.
So, I'm in Penn Station. However, I need breakfast. So, I mean, a pizza place is open. How wise is that? What else is open? I'm really looking for some bagels. You know, this pizza place might be it, honestly. That might be what it is. Pizza for breakfast? Bye. Wait, I'm feeling paranoid. Hold on. Holy shit. So, I'm heading to get a sandwich, a bagel, because this bitch did not eat breakfast. Alright? She did not. So, we're gonna get a bagel, then we're gonna go find the bus and sit on the bus. Alright? Let's go! It's race morning! Holy shit, bro. The view is spectacular. Wow. Holy shit. It's alright. It's okay. You know, it's whatever. Okay, I gotta keep moving because my legs, oh Lord. It's only when I stop running that my legs feel as if I'm gonna fall. Like, I feel like my legs feel drunk, you know? All right, let's go. This incline is no joke. That's what I'm gonna say. This.
Coming in. Congratulations, Jason. Way to go.
All right, Achilles International. We're about to do it. I think that's the finish line up there.
George, Guy, I'm hearing so many. Woo! As we go across the
I think that's the finish line. Please tell me it's the finish line.
11.
Come on, Shai, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
So you can see right over the hill, right below the hill, our first one of our great runners is we have Achilles coming in right now. Another one of our guys runners. Great job. Congratulations. So they're keeping the line a little bit further north of the finish line. So we thank them for that. FDNY in the house. Team for Kids. Rocking into the finish line. Congratulations.
We've got Vanessa, Mara,
Ooh, I did it. Thank you. Ooh, I did it. Right. When I got my medal.
Crystal.
The real reason I did this.
We've got Sarah. Welcome on in. Katsura, Lynn, Suzanne.
Follow my voice, Jenny. Follow my voice. Right there. 1, 2, 3. One more. All right, go. Good job, guys.
Great job. Congratulations.
And see you here. I remember who this was for. From now on. No. We did for like 3 miles. Let's wait until tomorrow.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Attention qu'il y en a qui tombe dans la cuve.
Trying to get some circulation going in the legs because the legs are hurting. Okay, you see AAA, right? Cross the street and you're gonna see this other building that called Midfold Rentals. That's where I'm standing at that corner. Mid is the building across from AAA, but towards the park. Not like, yeah, towards the park. I see Sephora. Lincoln Plasma Cinemas. But Sephora's on the other side. I'm just telling you what I see from where. But it's not where I'm at. It's just opposite me. Yes, but now on West Elm Design Crew. Yeah, go by West Elm, then cross over the street. I'm on the side of, oh Lord. Let me see. I gotta move. Cause I'm in the corner. I'm not standing at the corner. Okay, just meet at Sephora. No problem.